27?
Not bad so much.
I mean, this is tricky because obviously we're getting a blow job from a guy, you know, it's bad, but I don't know, wrong. You know, it's just so interesting, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's, what's he do for a living? Just like this. Okay, this is bullshit, okay? I'm out of here, man. I want to watch you die and come shit. Not talk about this.
Oh, you're sliding. Take your foot off the gas. These things take time.
Nah, Flats is right. Stay free. That's nothing to talk about.
Okay, well, that's not exactly true. Thanks to Gary's Brownings, I was talking to you.
I'm gonna get going as well, guys.
Guys, sorry if you strike out. For God's sakes, at least take a couple of swings.
I miss my wife and kids, okay?